Okay, today we're going to do the Londoner. So we're going to start inside the Londoner, then we're going to come back out to where we are, and we're going to end this video right here. Before we start, we'll just kind of show you real quick. We're at the Cotai Strip. You got Venetian, and there's Venetian over there. Okay, that's the Cotai Strip, and that's the Londoner right there. So let's end it and let's get started. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're inside the Venetian, so we started with the kind of exterior one. Right over there is the Apple Store. This is called the Gordon Ramsay Pub and Grill. Gordon Ramsay Pub and Grill. Got these teacups over here. So St. Regis, it's a hotel over there. Oh, he's in a teacup right there. Pretty cool. This is called Churchill's. So this Churchill's is a restaurant slash bar. Let's see if we can look into it a little bit. And there's also a Chinese restaurant. Okay, so now we can see a little bit into it. I guess they call it Churchill's, but it's also Gordon Ramsay's. Step in for a second. Nice. Somebody in a king outfit over there. Keep going around. So yeah, this channel, I basically explore different places in Macau, and I know the casinos are always popular. We got this guy here. Hello. Welcome to Churchill. Thank you. Churchill's. Okay. So that's the lobby right there. Let's see. I might try to see if we can go outside. We'll just see what we can see outside. Then we'll come back in. Automatic doors. Hello. Oh no. Let's see if we can walk across here. So we're gonna walk all the way across. Kind of want to see what's around here a little bit. Looks like they're doing some work on the Big Ben right there. Oh, you can see the humidity. The humid air is kicking in, so now we have moisture on the camera. And that right there, they're making a big bend. Let's just see if I can get that a little bit cleaner. Yeah, it's so humid outside. Okay, so now you can see all the construction work. So I think they're making a giant big bend here. That's a Venetian casino. Four Seasons shops. Parisian is over there. Those cranes are all to this one as well. It's a Parisian right there. So yeah, it looks like they're kind of setting up more of the Londoner now. A lot of taxis here. Yeah, and it looks like they have some more space in here, kind of setting it up. So we'll see what happens. This place used to be the Sands. Okay, so I gotta get my COVID testing ready. So we have these little cards, like these little things. They have the date, and then they tell everybody that we're okay, that we can go in and out of places or not. So I have to show it to this guy, and he'll let us in. So they just make sure that they have the date. You have to do it every single day. Even if you're vaccinated, whatever the situation is, you have to do it every day. There's a nice lobby right there, reception. To see the Londoner Casino. Take a look at this one right here. Muse. Yeah, I think I might change this channel around a little bit. I might do some more where I'll talk about different topics. We'll see. Haven't decided yet. Cartier. Sometimes that music might affect my channel, so I have to be a little bit careful, so I'll turn this off for a second. Okay, so we have more and more of the music is kind of loud, so turn it off again. Charles Darwin. We're gonna head on up. That one says Charlie Chaplin, so it looks like they have a little bit of a thing here. London Heritage. Charlie Chaplin is American though, right? I thought he was like German, Jewish or German or something like that. An American. The music is too loud. It's going to affect the video. Get the Londoner. Okay. Yeah, I think that the music is too loud in here, so it's going to affect my camera. But at least you got a little bit of a taste of the Londoner, and we're going to angle out of here a little bit. Okay. Yeah, that music is too bad. That's the one problem with the casinos is they play a lot of loud music that affects YouTubers' videos. Wish I could get out there too. You see a little bit of construction out there. Also see some other casinos too. Okay. I'm doing some YouTubing right there too. I just turned off my camera and I was like, oh dang, kind of want to catch that. Some of the YouTubers doing some work.
The next station is London Bridge. Doors will open on the opposite side.
Okay. Huh, red, white, and blue. Okay. Yep, there's a Londoner phone booth. Got the Londoner pub right here too. It's pretty cool. And we're gonna go outside there in a second, but we're gonna film. We're gonna be ending this one in a second, but let's just kind of go out for a second. Yeah, this is kind of the in between. I'll explain it out here. But here you can see the four shops because it separates Venetian, Londoner, and Parisian. There's the four shops right there. So Parisian, and then that's our Londoner. So it'll be kind of see there's just massive amounts of construction everywhere over there. So they're gonna keep working on that, and we'll see the end result. I don't know when, maybe a year from now. I don't know. I think they're also doing a lot of work down here too. Let's just go to the other side and we'll show you that side of the Londoner as well. Oops. Thank you. Venetian over on that side. Then on this side is the Londoner. So we're going to end it right here for our video. Chiquinha